Hey there folks, this here is my 2016 Subaru WRX. As you can see, it is basically a work of art underneath the hood. Definitely not dirty at all, and I've definitely not washed it since I bought it, but that's okay. Today, we are going to be replacing this gross, grody, yellow, disgusting oil cap with the Kartboy Oil Cap. So, this is a pretty difficult install. Make sure you follow along really closely so you can repeat this at home. The first step you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the factory oil cap. You're gonna wanna wash your hands after that and make sure your tetanus shot is up to date. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox our brand new Kartboy oil cap. This thing is machined out of a nice black Delrin, so when you go to change your oil every 3,000 miles on the dot, you don't burn your hand. I'm also going to grab my new seal. So we're gonna put the new supplied O-ring onto the oil cap and make sure it is pushed down into the groove. You wanna make sure it's completely down in there. It can be not difficult, but you just wanna make sure your thumb strength is up to snuff. So, I've now pushed the seal fully into the groove, and I can see when I spin it that it is uniform all the way around, so it provides a good seal. Take my oil cap, spin it onto the engine. I don't want to over tighten it though. Don't ever over tighten your oil cap. Included with your new Kartboy oil cap are two colored badges. So we either have black or blue. What do you think? Black or blue, Mr. Cameraman?
Blue.
Blue? Let's do blue. Definitely not going to struggle with the backing at all. There we go. Now, I can position this badge however I want in the car, obviously. I can either put it upside down if I woke up this morning and chose violence, or I can put it right side up. Pop it on there, away you go. You have now fully completed your install of your brand new Kartboy oil cap. If you're interested in one of these, www.kartboy.com. Shoot us an email, shoot us a message, we'll get back to you if you have any questions. Bye!